Click the bell icon to get latest videos from Ekeeda.
Hello friends, total cost of the product we can calculate plant wise as well as individual department wise. In that case, the amount of cost differs that we are required to understand from this question. A manufacturing company makes several product lines which are processed through three production departments X, Y, and Z. The information concerning the relevant data for an year is as follows. Particulars: Department X, factory overheads, including share of service department 1,24,000, direct labor hours 80,000, direct labor cost 1,60,000. Department Y 2,30,000, 1,15,000 hours, direct labor cost 2,41,500. Department Z, factory overheads 5,46,000, direct labor hours 1,05,000 hours, direct labor cost 1,99,500. Production records at the end of the year indicated the following for the product line Krish. Unit produced 20,000, prime cost 45,000, 10,500, 59,500, direct labor hours 10,000, 5,000 and 30,000. You are required to calculate the departmental and plant-wise overheads rate based on direct labor hours. So we are required to calculate department-wise as well as plant-wise overheads based on direct labor hours. Compute the cost of Krish line for the year by using plant-wide rate, departmental rate. Next, comment on the results. For calculation of plant-wide rate, we are required to use formula total factory overheads of department X, Y and Z divided by total direct labor hours of department X, Y and Z. Factory overheads of different departments 1,24,000 X, 2,30,000 for Y and 5,46,000 for Z. Divided by total direct labor hours 80,000 for department X plus 1,15,000 for department Y plus 1,05,000 for department Z. After adding all these values, we get here 9 lakh as numerator. So it is rupees 3 per labor hour. For calculation of departmental rates, our formula is total overheads of department divided by total direct labor hours. In case of department X, factory overheads are 1,24,000 and total direct labor hours are 80,000. So in case of department X, it is rupees 1 and 55 paise per hour. Department Y, factory overheads 2,30,000, direct labor hours 1,15,000. So in case of department Y, it is rupees 2 per hour. Department Z, factory overheads 5,46,000, direct labor hours 1,05,000. It is rupees 5 and 20 paise in case of department Z. So we have calculated rates plant wide as well as department wise. Prime cost they have given here 45,000, 10,500, 59,500. We'll be adding here overheads. Overheads will be calculated based on number of hours multiplied by plant wide rate. Plant wide rate we have calculated rupees 3 per labor hour. In case of department X, direct labor hours 10,000. 10,000 hours multiplied by 3. In case of department Y, 5,000 hours multiplied by 3. 15,000. In case of department Z, 30,000 hours multiplied by 3. Rupees 90,000. We can add cost of each department. $45,000 plus 30,000, 75,000. 10,500 plus 15,000. 25,500. 59,500 plus 90,000. 1,49,500. We can add now all these departmental costs to arrive at total cost of product line krish. So if we use plant wide rates, total cost of product line krish is 2,50,000. Let us calculate now cost of product line krish using departmental rates. Each column showing department X, Y, Z, and we are required to start with now prime cost. We are required to take prime cost given in the question 45,000 10,500, 59,500. We are required to add to prime cost overheads. Those are based on department-wise rates. Direct labor hours multiplied by department-wise rates. We have calculated department-wise rates 1 rupee 55 paise for department X, 2 rupees for department Y, and 5 rupees 20 paise for department Z. Department X direct labor hours 10,000. Department Y direct labor hours 5,000. Department Z direct labor hours 30,000. So we have taken all labor hours and we'll be multiplying with now department wise rates we have calculated. Based on department wise rates, in case of department X, overheads are 15,500. In case of department Y, it is 10,000. And in case of department Z, it is 1,56,000. Now we'll be calculating departmental cost. In case of department X, 60,500. Department Y, 20,500. Department Z, 2,15,500. We can add department X, Y, Z cost to arrive at total cost of the product line. So by using departmental rates, we get total cost 2,96,500. If we consider plant-wide rates, we are getting total cost 2,50,000. That means total cost is not same in case of department-wise and plant-wide rates. In case of plant-wide, it is 2,50,000, and in case of department-wide, it is 2,96,500. In question, finally, they are asked to comment. Here we are required to just comment that we have used plant-wide rates and departmental rates, but total cost we are not getting same. We are getting different by use of different rates. That is what we are required to write in comment, which is asked in the question. Thanks for watching this video. Stay in tune with Ekeeda and subscribe to our channel Ekeeda. Thank you.